humble fisherman living in the seaside village of Tide Home. One fateful morning, he discovered a golden compass tangled in his fishing nets. Unlike ordinary compasses, its needle didn't point north. It spun wildly before settling in a direction beyond the horizon. Drawn by curiosity, Aaron set sail toward the unknown, leaving behind his simple life. Days turned into weeks as the compass led him to a hidden island shrouded in mist. On this island, time seemed to flow differently. The sun never set, and moments stretched into hours. Aaron encountered a guardian spirit who explained the island's secret. It was a place where time could be paused, granting those who lived their eternal youth. But there was a catch. To leave, one had to make a choice between living a life without time or following their destiny in the real world. As Aaron explored the island, he met others who had stayed too long, their dreams fading into the endless days. The compass whispered to Aaron, urging him to remember his purpose. Though tempted by the island's allure, Aaron realized that true happiness lay in the fleeting beauty of life and the pursuit of his dreams. With courage, he followed the compass back to his boat, leaving the island behind. The golden compass disappeared as he reached home, but Aaron carried its lesson in his heart, that every moment is precious, and destiny lies in the journey.